Okay, we're gonna take a look at a few drums here. First, I just wanna tell you I have a couple projects in progress. Looking from left to right here, this is a 5-inch mixed wood. There's different maples, oak, mahogany, purple heart, walnut, zebra wood. There's lots of woods in there. The one in the middle here is a 6-inch mahogany, and then this last one is the one you might be interested in, a 6.5-inch maple, oak, and walnut mixed wood. So first, we're gonna review, this is a hard maple stave drum, so the hoops and the lugs are all die cast, has a 3-stage trick throw off on it. We're also going to look at, this is spalted maple, 6.5 inches. Next here is oak, which is 6.5 inches. And then this last one here is bird's eye maple. I'll get to that at the end. But the first three are all 6.5 inches as requested. And we'll give them a couple plays here. So tune medium to high. So also too, the hardware can be swapped out. If you like this drum, but you prefer to have chrome instead of the brushed metal, that can be swapped out, just let me know. So again, this is a spalted maple drum. And this is the oak. Alright, so the three of these sound very similar. They're all very similarly constructed, same sizes. Really, for those three, it's going to go between the appearance. The last one here, again, this is bird's eye maple, and it is 5.5 inches, not 6.5. However, I'll show you. While making the drum, you can see the collar of the drum head right here comes right up to the hardware. I cut the bearing edges after I cut the holes for the hardware. I'll only make that mistake once. So this is a manufacturer's defect that I'll sell for 50% off. Again, bird's eye maple. This doesn't affect the sound of the drum anymore. It's just aesthetically, there is space here and not here. So we'll give this one a listen to.